Now the examples on this chapter, that is for first chapter. First example, two S.H.Ms are acting simultaneously on particle is given by, okay, two, therefore R given by y1 is equal to sine omega t plus pi by 3 omega t plus pi by 3, and y2 is equal to 2 sine omega t. So we have to calculate or find the equation of resultant vibrations. Now the two S.H.Ms acting simultaneously on the particle are given, that is y1 and y2. So these equations are similar to, suppose similar to equations like this. Say y1 is equal to a1 sine omega t plus alpha 1. So this is just similar to our equation y is equal to a sine of omega t plus alpha. So here there are two, therefore displacements, therefore I will write y1 and y2. So y2 is equal to a2 into sine of omega t plus alpha 2, omega t plus alpha 2. So from this equation we can have a1 is equal to 1 and a2 here there is no any component, so the a1 is equal to 1. So a2 is equal to 2 here, alpha 1 is equal to pi by 3, and alpha 2 is equal to 0. So there is no term, so alpha is 0. So alpha 2 0. So the resultant vibrations are given by y, say y1 plus y2, and therefore resultant is y r into sine omega t plus phi, omega t plus phi. This is the resultant of this a1 y1 and y2. So r with the amplitude here and alpha phi with the phase. So r amplitude is given by very simple formula, a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 into cos of alpha 1 and minus alpha 2. So putting the values, very simple thing is here. I will write at the top. So here R then value of this is R is equal to, putting these values, I will directly write this equation 1 plus 4 plus 4 into cos of pi by 3. Cos of, putting these values here, a1, a2 and value of cos alpha 1, alpha 2. So I will write directly R, value of R is equal to 2.645. You can do, you can verify this value of R after calculation of this term. So this is about the R, amplitude R. Now we have to calculate the phase. So phase phi is equal to tan inverse. This is also the formula we have calculated. So tan inverse a1 sin alpha 1 plus a2 sin alpha 2 divided by a1 cos alpha 1 plus a2 cos alpha 2. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 into sine of pi by 3 plus 2 into sine 0 divided by 1 into cos pi by 3 plus 2 cos 0, 2 cos 0. So I will write directly equation. So let's start tan inverse 1.5811 after calculating. So phi is equal to I think this is 19.1 angstrom degree, and this is 19.1 divided by 180 into pi in a radian. So if we put this value of pi, and therefore 0.1061 pi is the value of phi, degree. So if we put this value and value of amplitude, we get the final equation of motion. So here y is equal to 2.645. This is the amplitude that we have calculated just now. Sine omega t plus this value 0.1061 pi. So this is the resultant of motion of these two S.H.Ms. Now another example that we can have is okay. Having different how this example is to be solved now. And this is one type of example. Another type. Which one is this? Okay. A beam of electron. Now example, a beam of electron in an alternating voltages such a manner that displacement at any instant is given by x is equal to 5 sine 100 pi t and y is equal to 5 sine 100 pi into t plus pi by 2. So beam of electron in an oscilloscope, that is we have learned in a last example, that is the CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope, and here mention only oscilloscope. Now is deflected by two mutually perpendicular and alternating vibrations such that in a such manner that the displacement at any instant is given by displacements of these two are given, which are much mutually perpendicular. Now the equations then here y is equal to 5 cos of 100 pi t. Now this equation, and here omega is 100 pi, omega is 100 pi, and therefore frequency n is equal to omega upon twice pi, omega upon twice pi, that is 100 upon twice pi, 100 pi upon twice pi. So this is equal to 50 hertz, this is equal to 50 hertz, this is the frequency. Now squaring and adding these equations, that is these two equations, squaring and adding, we have x square plus y square, this one x square plus y square, that is equal to 5 square into sine square 100 pi into t plus 5 square cos pi cos 100 into pi t. Then we can write 5 square into the bracket sine 100 t, this one 100 pi t, pi into t plus cos 100 pi into t. So x square plus y square, that is equal to 5 square, this is 1. So we can have this 5 square, so 25 is equal to x square plus y square. Therefore the path is describing the circle of radius 5, of radius 5. So this is about the examples on for first chapter, that is yesterday. So here, so thank you for that.